Halloween brings all sorts of advice about diets and eating healthy, but this time of year, it doesn't just apply to humans. Obesity is a serious issue in pets as well. In this month's Pet Ed, CTV's Andrea Slobodian shows pet owners how to take precautions.
A few treats show love for a cat, but too many cause obesity.
Generally, it's people giving too much love, right? Meaning giving too many treats because they're showing their love with treats.
Vets at the Winnipeg Humane Society stress the importance of a healthy diet and exercise. Pets will live longer and avoid medical issues.
There's a lot more chronic diseases that you can get when your pet is obese, as well as you're going to have joint issues, hips, knees, things like that. As well as your medical bills are generally higher with an obese animal. They're harder to treat in clinic, harder to feel if something's wrong with them or to get blood for samples.
If you're starting to wonder if maybe your pet is getting a little too heavy, one of the easiest ways to check is with their ribs.
I can feel her ribs, I can't see them, and there's a little bit of covering over top of them. And a really easy way to know if your pet is gaining a little bit or has a good body condition is have a look at your own hand. You can pretend those bones in your hand are their ribs. You can feel the ribs like you can the back of your hand, okay? You can feel your bones there. There's a little bit of covering there. That's how they should be. They shouldn't be like the palm of your hand, where you see there's some extra tissue there and you've got to press hard to feel the bone underneath.
To lose a few pounds, the Humane Society feeds overweight cats an all-wet diet and easy on the treats.
A lot of times what people can do is instead of getting a special treat, they can take out a little bit of the pet's normal food and feed that as a treat so that you're not actually giving extra.
Andrea Slobodian, CTV News, Winnipeg.
If your pet gets less exercise in cold winter months, cut back on the amount of food you give. It's also a good idea to give less food if you plan to give extra treats over the holidays.